everyone. So I've got a lovely big box of goodies here. So we've just received the new Doodlebug Let's Know collection, and I'm going to go through it quickly. You would have seen in my feed the new stamps, and they are so cute. I was squealing when I actually opened the box and I saw these on top. We've also got these doodle pops. Let's get one of them out for you. These are just so cute. So there's the new doodle pops. This one is, has this one got a name? This one says well hello. And we have some other doodle pops. We've got these ones in. They're too cute. Oh my goodness. So we've also got these ones. They're called Playful Penguins. And we've also got, what other doodle pops have we got? Oh, we've got these ones. Let's have a look. These ones are called Polar Pals. So these are the Polar Pals. So these are the 3 doodle pops we've got in stock at the moment. They're so cute. Look at those. I think my favourite one is this one, because I love the penguins, guys. I love penguins. So we've also got the sprinkles. So I've got 3 different types of sprinkles, I believe, in here. Let me get the packet open. So we have these ones, Frosty Friends. And we have these ones, which are Polar Pals. And we also have the, what are these ones? These ones are cute. Oh my goodness. These ones are called Heartwarming, and each little individual hearts, the bigger ones, they have actually got a pattern. So we've got checked and we've got stripes, polka dots. They're just cute. Oh my goodness, look at those. And we also have the 6x6 paper pads, and we also have the bits and pieces. So these are what you get inside the pack there. We've got tags and labels, and you get 42 pieces in this pack. And we also have the mini icons. Ooh, can't get it in shot. That's better. Is that better? Oh, and I've got glare. Mini icon stickers. And you get 3 sheets in this one. So that's fabulous value. And yeah, that's super cute with all the super cute little animals on there. I've also got the icon stickers with the Father Christmas. Look at that. I love that little snowman there. So we've got those. We also have, which is the first time at Cheryl Simone Crafts, we have the petite print assortment. So these cardstock go exactly, they match exactly the Doodlebug collection kits here. So this is the 12x12 paper pack, and as you know, you get 1 this and that sticker sheet, and you also get 12 double-sided cardstock. And I'll just spin it around and you'll be able to see the sticker sheet there on the back. You get some washi strips. You even get some lovely tabs, some words, phrases here, and we have some lovely cute images, just like what Doodlebug are known for. I absolutely love this paper pack. The colours, beautiful, absolutely so cute. So cute. Good for maybe a December daily. That would be brilliant. So that's my unboxing for Doodlebug. Thank you for joining us, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.